All right, did you see this? Apple's services chief, Eddie Q, is basically saying AI is going to replace search engines very, very soon. So when you pull up your phone, your Apple phone, your Android phone, instead of Safari or Google, it's going to be an AI type search engine. And that doesn't mean that those are irrelevant. Google and Safari and all those are irrelevant, but it should change how you think about your content and your marketing strategy and your SEO strategy going forward. If you have a business and we want to generate more traffic, more sales, all the things, you can use this information to your advantage. So right now, how it is working is in many cases AI is giving overviews of content. So when you search for something like, should you hire a lawyer after a car accident, you're going to see there is an AI overview here. And what's good about this is the AI overview is helpful, but this information is being pulled from other sources. It's being pulled from Reddit here. It's being pulled from blog articles here, blog article here. So not only are they giving an overview, they're giving these sources here to the right, which you can click into, and it can help drive traffic back to your site. So the main thing that you have to focus on right now, because AI is only going to get, of course, bigger and bigger and bigger, but it's still pulling from somewhere. It's still sourcing the information. So if you want to capitalize on that, you really need to focus on the how-to topics, the how, the why, what, why, should, when, where, those type of topics, those blog topics in your content, to continue to capitalize on the traffic and people finding that information in search, finding the answers, and then clicking in here and then going back to your site and going back to get more information on that. For this, obviously, if you're looking up this information about should you hire a lawyer, you're going to then, it's telling you probably should, and then you're going to want to make sure that you're showing up here. So if they want to hire a lawyer, they're going to hire you because your information is on the forefront here. They're going to be looking for that information next. So the thing that I would do is, in your content strategy, you need to have a blog content strategy. So then you can share those blogs across social media platforms, LinkedIn, more places the better, to add authority to your topic. So to increase the chances of being shown here. Another place that you can do, so if you're not sure which keywords to focus on, you can use Google Keyword Planner. And if we just do, lawyer, we can see long tail keywords that we can start to write our content about and figure out what people are searching for. What are the long tail keywords? What are people searching for? Personal injury lawyer, accident lawyer near me, divorce lawyers near me. So this can give us some insight onto what people are searching for. Another good website that you can use is Answer the Public, which you can type in a topic and it'll give you answers that people are searching for. It'll give you a wheel like where, marketing without data, marketing for small business. So this is like a wheel of ideas basically that you can use to generate content. Now, the third thing that you want to do is, now that you have this, know what's important, have this strategy, have this keyword strategy, you can use Arvow here, which is an SEO content optimization machine, basically. So this is where you base the rubber meets the road and the magic really happens, is once you have your keyword ideas, we can go into Arvow and generate content for those keywords to get you shown in search more often. And the nice thing about Arvow is fully optimized SEO content, right? It is driven by AI, but it goes through a bunch of steps and back-end checks and balances to make your article fully SEO optimized, so it can have the highest probability of getting ranked in search. But it all starts with your keyword and or title that you put in for your blog article. So this is the input that you put in. Once you put in the input, whatever that may be, it's going to generate your list of inputs here, which then you can create content around. So speaking of lawyers, here's one I did to target local SEO for Tallahassee personal injury lawyer. So what you can do is click in here and you can see the article that I generated, and you have some. I'm going to show you. You can basically customize this, but let's just go in and I'll show you the article that it generated for a personal injury lawyer. Here we go, accident lawyer. Here we go. It adds these images. You can do your own images or stock or AI. And then this is a fully engaging, optimized SEO article, internal links to your other pages on your site or external links. And this is what people are going to find in search. This is what AI is going to pull from and summarize from. So the more types of articles like you have of these, the better. And then you're going to obviously want to share these across different platforms. But you can click in here and see kind of the internal workings from an SEO standpoint. Meta description, alt text on the images, H2, H3 titles, your links here. But then you can edit this with AI. This is what's really nice is you have your very own built-in AI assistant that you can highlight any part of this and rewrite it to make it shorter, make it longer. I can manually edit this if I want, or I can use the AI assistant here. Just tell the assistant what you want. Like change the whole article, make it funny, add 2 more paragraphs on this topic. Remove the first paragraph on that topic, add in more pictures. So whatever the case may be, and you can see this is fully SEO optimized. It has quote excerpts out here. It has your links in here. Very, very well done, very SEO optimized article. Now, what you can also do is when you're generating this information, you can edit this further, and this is what makes this really powerful. So here's your keywords here. You can add in more keywords. You can add in a title, or it'll generate one for you. But you can change the language, tone of voice. You can add your own knowledge base. Say if you have like a workbook or materials, or it'll just connect it to the web and pull the information there. You can change the formatting. You can change the structure if you want. These are all FAQs, conclusion, takeaways, all help with SEO. You can also add a call to action. Internal linking, this is where stuff gets really, really powerful. So you can link to other pages on your own site to keep everything connected and build each page authority. So the more you do that, the better. External linking, again, builds page authority. You're linking to trusted sources, and there is a probability, a chance that they could link back to you at some point and give you a backlink, which is really, really powerful when it comes to SEO. Here's where you do the AI images. You can do stock or custom, whatever you want to do. The AI images are very good. And then what's really cool is you can include a YouTube video. So if you have your own channel, you can link it here, or it'll do one for you. You can have it embed a YouTube channel. So if you go here, we can see that here is one that we did for a realtor in Miami. And boom, it includes 5 tips for buying a new construction home in Miami. So it includes a relevant YouTube video there, which you can obviously edit that if you want a different video in there, take it out, or do your own. And what's neat too about this is it has blog automation. So you can automate this to publish articles every day, every week, every month, whatever you want to do. Set this up very passively, and it integrates with anywhere, any website you would have. So here's all the integrations. You can do webhook, WordPress, or if you have Squarespace, Wix, you can integrate it so it'll automatically publish out these articles. And it also integrates with social media as well, where you can have it automatically post on social media. So this is basically a fully optimized SEO machine. So you can try this out. There's a link below. You can 10% off or try it out for free. This is definitely going to help you stay on top of what's happening in the AI world with search. Content is still king, but strategic content based on long tail keywords is really, really important. So make sure that you're doing it that way. But let me know what you guys are doing. Comment below. Are you concerned with AI basically taking over search? How do you think it's going to affect, everything from a content and marketing strategy? Is there anything that I missed? Let me know below. Outside of that, I also created this video here showing you how to use this tool to generate leads. So just one of the many features of this tool. It's not just a blog or auto blogger, which is great. There's many, many features of this. So make sure you watch this video here. That's it for today. I'll be back soon with another good video for you guys.